Hi everyone! Today I'm gonna show you a way to play your bass line in order to improve your groove.
Groovy, baby!
Groove is rhythm, and it's essential that you feel the rhythm more than thinking it. I don't think that you can play the rhythm if you don't involve your body. That's why I recommend you to use a tap foot while playing. I'm going to show you a process to work on a bass line and to improve its groove.
Groovy.
Let's consider a famous bass line, the chicken, as played by Jaco Pastorius, and let's focus on the first bar. This is how I usually proceed. First, I don't consider the bar as a 4-beat bar, but as two 4-beat bars with a double time tempo. If you're reading notes, it will feel much easier. The result is the same, only the foot tapping is different. This should improve your accuracy. Once you master the synchronization with your foot on every beat, try tapping only 2 and 4, just like if it was a jazz tune.
2, 4, 2, 4.
Be careful not to play swing, play even eights.
Do you swing?
Every time that you're working on a new bass line in a groove context, you should try this method. Of course, you don't need to tap foot while playing on stage. If you're playing in a marching band, you'll have to walk, and your steps will somehow desynchronize from the music. But still, you should keep the 2 and 4 feel in mind.
2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4.